Hi, I am Anita Monoli, an electrical engineering graduate having 9 years of experience in teaching field. I basically teach school math, Vedic math and Olympiad math for students of grade from 5th to 10th grades of CBSE, ICSE, IB and IG boards. In today's video, we will see some of the Vedic math concepts which will help you in understanding quick mental math calculations. So let us see some of the examples. Basically in Vedic math, any given number is compared with the base numbers like tens, hundreds and thousands, so on. Today we will see some of the multiplication concepts. If you want to multiply a given numbers 87 and 97. Here always we have to compare the given numbers with their base values. In this 87 is near to the base value 100 and 97 is also near to the base value 100, and both have a deficiencies of 13 and 3 respectively for base values 100. 87 is 13 less less for 100 and 97 is 3 less for 100, and we write it as deficiency with minus symbol. Then you have to proceed the cross multiplication and subtraction concepts. Here 87 is subtracted with 3 and 13 is subtracted from 97, and finally we have to multiply the after minus symbol numbers vertically. So 87 minus 3 is 84 and 97 minus 13 is also 84. So our answer is first two digits are 84, and then we have to multiply the after minus symbol numbers vertically. Here 13 into 3 is nothing but 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, that is 39. The answer is 8439. This you will do in a fraction of seconds. So we'll see some more examples. If you want to do a multiplication of 123 and 102, here you have to compare the given numbers with their base values. Here 123 is near to 100 and it is 23 more than 100. This we will write it as 123 plus 23, and 102. In 102, 100 is the base number and 2 is more for the base number, and we will write it as 102 plus 2. Here what is the concept here? Here deficiencies, here the numbers are deficiencies from the base, so we subtracted the given numbers. But in this example, here the numbers are more than the base values, so we write them as plus symbol, then we perform the calculations. So first we will do cross addition, then we will perform after plus symbol vertical multiplication. Here 123 plus 2 is 125 and 102 plus 23 is also 125, and after plus symbol we have to do multiplication. Here 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 2 is 6. Our answer is 1,02,546. Sorry, 12,546. So we'll see next example. 568 into 998. In this, the base values are near to thousands. 568 is near to the thousand and it has a deficiency of 432 for the thousand. This we will write it as 468 minus 432, and 998 is also near to the base value, base value 1000, and we will write it as 998 is less than 2. It has a deficiency of 2 for 1000. Then we will perform cross subtraction, then vertical multiplication. So here 568 minus 2 is nothing but 566. Then 998 minus 432 is also 566. Then we have to cross multiply 432 with 2, that is 8, 864. Here the answer is 5,66,864. This you have to do it in a fraction of seconds. Hope this information is useful. I want to see you as my student in Fundu Tutor. Thank you.